Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're going to be replacing a hood shock. If you see, I got a lock wrench here because it's blown. If I let this go, it's just going to slam down. It's very easy to replace. A lot of people don't realize it. You could pick one up on the internet for like 20 bucks, depending on your car. Some cars have two. Even if you have them in the back on the trunk that they're blown. It's just like a regular little shock they blow out, and it's very easy to replace. What you're going to have to do, hold the... have somebody hold it up, or you just get a piece of some kind of a pipe like this, you know, to wedge it here so you can take this off and the hood doesn't fall down. Over here, there's a little clip. Okay, you put a screwdriver in here and you pop the clip out, make sure it doesn't go flying. All right, you pop the clip out there, and the same thing on the bottom. The same thing on the bottom over here. And it comes right out. Now the new one comes with clips already. Let me show you. See, it already has the clips installed. So all it does is it's a ball on both sides. And all it does, it goes in here and it just locks in place. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, you see how it's just about to come off? And you just grab it off. See? Like a little circlip. And this is going to pop right out right now. I can't do it because I'm holding the camera, but I'm going to just switch it out, I mean. The bottom one on, the top one goes right here. All right, you just push it on, and that's it. It's locked in there because it already had the clip on there. It ain't going nowhere. Now you could take your thing off like that. Okay, and now, look at that. Nice. It can go any way you want. Down. And up. And that's how you do it. Cheap, easy fix. And it's a safety issue too. Because if you do put a stick there and it's windy outside, that stick can blow down. You have a hand here. You can have a really bad day. All right? All right, guys. MotorCarNut. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you really much for watching.